Alrighty, well, finally made it to the trail. Ended up switching to a header muffler just to be a little bit more inconspicuous and just keep it down a little bit, but honestly I'm finding the header pipe is still better. Get a little bit more speed. Alright. the let me think here, Super 30 on there, torque converter conversion, 40 tooth sprocket, header with muffler, internals. I got 18-pound valve springs. I went with the PZ22 carburetor. Did the governor delete internally, and then other than that, it's running a stock cam. Put on some Sun F tires and some straight mirrors and whatnot. Yeah, this thing does pretty good. Not bad for a summer project. Kept it around $1,000. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Alright, we'll see if the GoPro can capture it this time, but that was a good sized hill. These 212s seem to handle hills pretty good, surprisingly. So even just this is a good grade. I can kind of tell from the curve. I don't think most people can get up this unless they got a Razor or a Jeep. But I can make it on my Mini. Well, I already recorded this ride once, and then the angle was off. So then I had to scratch all of that footage because it wasn't going to be good for the viewer. Just starting out doing vlogs and everything, but figured it's trending. I want to do some sort of digital creation, and this is what I like to do, so I figured I'd start to record it. Woo-wee. Pretty stoked. Pretty stoked. Oh, I don't know if the GoPro's gonna die or not, but I guess we'll see how much further we can make it. Better check the gas. See if we're getting some better gas mileage. It's getting warm. Ah, fuck. Not really. A little bit. There's about half a tank. About 14 miles. I think it's just the PZ22 setup. It's not really the best carburetor. I do got an extra 20 ounces of fuel, so go a little further. Uh-oh. What's going on? Don't do this to me right now. That would have sucked. Yeah, that's one thing about mufflers on these things is these motors don't like it. They just want a free flow. But it's just trying to be a little bit more considerate of people that was passing by. So. Alrighty, we'll go a bit further and then we'll have to turn around. I go to a sketchy spot. Alright. Gotta stay off the walls and at the lowest point. Nice standing. Handlebars pointed down the hill. Go with the flow. Yeah, I think new forks is going to be one of the next things. Oh shit. This is a cool little spot right here too. This one's easier to get to. Perfect spot for a hammock. Let's go. This is why you gotta explore. And I think, oh fuck, that was my closest I've been to an accident. Alright. I know I'm not wearing proper shoes. that. Alright, what I'm first curious about is this road back here leads us back to the top. Because if so, this is a pretty cool little triangle. Yeah, this muffler definitely likes lower RPM ranges. If after I post the video, people are wondering what setup or what product I bought, I will post it in the description. But yeah, I'm just running a Predator 212. What? I'd say it's like, it's about a stage 2. I still have stock internals though, like I was saying. Left the cam and piston alone. What if this just goes down the mountain? Whoa! That's good for me though. What are we coming up on? I really feel like we're going down. I don't know if that's a good thing. We're already at half the tank. Oh wait, no, this is it, isn't it? Camping spot, the other one. Woo. Hey! I had a feeling. Cool. And I've been up there, it gets pretty hairy. Big old, like shale rock, or whatever you want to call that stuff. Kind of like that. Okay. Well, let's see where the other road goes. getting an RPM gauge. They're like $10, and it helps you tell how hard you're pushing your motor. Installation's super easy. You just find a